Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making some southern fried chicken. Now, not just any old chicken, but I'm going to be using today chicken hearts, sort of in that philosophy of, what do you call it, nose to tail. If you're going to kill a chicken, why not use as much of it as you can to eat. These hearts are still delicious, especially fried like this with a nice yummy coating on them. So let's get to it. First thing I've done, I've got 500 grams of these hearts, and they're just whole, like so. And all I've done is I'll give them a good wash under running cold water, and then I've had them soaking in this buttermilk here for a good couple of hours. So they're good to go. Let's get it out of the way. Now next here, I've just got half a cup of plain flour and half a cup of corn flour, or as my American friends like to call it, cornstarch. And we're just going to be obviously adding some flavours to that. So I'm going to go with about a teaspoon of paprika, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of oregano leaves, dried oregano, and with some dried thyme leaves, cayenne pepper to taste. I'm going, about half a teaspoon. About half a teaspoon mustard powder. About the same ground black pepper. Same with ground white pepper. And just a good dash of salt. Just mix that all through. And folks, we're just about ready to go. I just need to get my oil heated up. Alrighty, so my oil's come up to heat there. Like I say, I've got my hearts here ready to go. Got my flour ready to go. I'm probably just going to do this by hand, and I'll just be throwing those hearts into that flour, dredging it around a bit, and popping them straight in there. And I've got my rack there set up, ready to drain them on. If you're looking at a slightly different angle today from my camera, I'm actually using a different camera, just giving it a try out. Be interesting to see how it works, if the sound works. It's actually a bigger camera I actually usually use for bird watching. It's got a big zoom on it, but so it's not really needed here in the kitchen, but I just wanted to see how it went, just for a change. Alrighty, so I finished cooking my fried chicken hearts there. They're looking a treat. Yeah, very simple as you saw. Let's try one. Wonder if you can, how good this camera goes. Focusing up close. Not too bad. You can see a little bit of the crumbing sort of falling off. That's okay. Yummo. That's really, really yummy. The best thing about it is with the heart, it's like a different, it's a heart, as you know, is a muscle. So it's a bit more, I guess, chewy, but it's not unpleasantly chewy, don't get me wrong. You've just got to chew it. Unlike other parts of offal, like liver, for instance, or kidneys, whatever, where they go really soft and all that. There's still got a bit of texture to it, which is lovely. Now I've just served it with a bit of peri peri mayonnaise here. You serve it with whatever you want. I think that'll go really, really well with that coating. Yeah, let's try it. Yummo. Folks, that is one delicious snack. I really, really urge you to try those. If you haven't tried them before, like, give them a go. Like I said, couldn't be easier. Oh, that store-bought peri peri sauce has got a little bit of a kick to it, which is good. I went for the hottest one, of course. Not much more I can say, so thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has thus far subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, can I just ask you hit that subscription button? That would be absolutely awesome. I'd really, really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything, no obligation on your part, but it just helps my channel out no end. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.